Ako Asomo and Jacques Zouah, who is the captain for the Intermediate Lions of Cameroon this evening. And there is also the Zambian national team, Jean Lamela.
Avec dans les buts Charles Kalumba, le capitaine personne d'autre Adrian Chama. Latéral gauche Clément Moulanchi, à droite Zakaria Chilongoshi. Terminons la présentation des acteurs sur le terrain en vous signalant que Kwetele Mouchele sera le central de cette rencontre. Il sera assisté de Bigo Metoul, Obama et le quatrième arbitre n'est personne d'autre que Louga Bikim. Le coup d'envoi vient d'être donné et il est en
Cameroonian half and the Zambians are trying to orchestrate an attack there. And there is a kick off target. Stade Renard of Melon.
Aria Chilongoshi. Alors que les défenseurs camerounais se sont positionnés dans leur surface de réparation, le corner est parti sur la tête du capitaine Zouah qui place en touche. Et voici Zouah pour le Cameroun.
Zouah spots the attacker for Cameroon, and the goalkeeper Lamik Ziame has go up and the Zambian clear off the defense zone, but there was an offside.
Andulo qui va chercher de l'inspiration derrière, et voici Emmanuel Chaboula qui se saisit de ce ballon et qui a un peu trop croisé sa balle, sa frappe. Réception de balle.
Emmanuel
Chaboula
had that golden opportunity to take the Zambian national team one go up, but hard.
Monsieur le central demande aux joueurs de ne pas s'éperonner.
Colin Sikombe is putting that corner kick.
C'est une partie de billard dans la surface de réparation camerounaise.
It has been a moment of
grand jeu.
Tungo Pile has an arduous task because for more than 6 months there has not been any competitive football of the premier of the professional football league in Cameroon. There was about the goal there. Oh, opportunity and hit the bar. Much to the satisfaction of Cameroonian defenders and Tungo Pile. Will this be the opportunity?
C'est la première fois que les Lions se retrouvent au terme de 5 passes, mais la transversale de Andulo.
Benson Sakala from the territory of Epane.
Sikombe.
Des renards de surface qui certainement disputeront la phase finale de ce championnat d'Afrique des Nations.
As the Zambians now control, closing to Cameroon's own area. Excited to make the box, head went up there for the challenge, and the Cameroonian player was virtually sleeping because the Zambian came from behind. Futuro, Jacques Zouah Daugari, and of course Yannick Dieng. Daugari turns around beautifully, sends the ball to Ako Asomo. Ako turns around. A back pass of the ball to Nana Fabrice. Onto that far right, he extends to Joel. Joel sends a diagonal kick, poorly done once again. Another gift, another new hit to try and orchestrate play from here. And there goes Onana Fabrice. Fabrice onto Ako. Ako tries to find Serge Andulo, but the pass was not properly done. A good sliding tackle there from.
On en profite pour saluer toutes les populations de la ville de Douala, particulièrement dans le quartier New Bell, où a grandi le goléador camerounais Samuel Eto'o, et cette action mal visée par Martin.
From their own area around the center circle, a body swerve that beats 2-3 Cameroonians. He moves in there, has Rostamon come to beat, and of course the ball was sent out of the field of play. It's not going to be a corner kick as the referee sounds his whistle. Half time, this match out here, a beautiful match between the two teams.
Going out for number 19. Fede Junior to come in. That is what Bankulo was talking about in just a few minutes.
Si l'équipe n'a pas bien joué depuis le début de ce pré-CHAN et c'est important pour l'équipe camerounaise, alors qu'on va suivre cette attaque zambienne repoussée par la défense camerounaise. Le Cameroun qui est donc au niveau de la ligne médiane et le coup franc zambien qui ne donne rien pour l'instant, récupéré par le dossard numéro 23 de cette équipe. Il s'agit de Alan Kabi, le capitaine de l'équipe zambienne.
Coming on to a moment when both teams are yet to score a goal. Follow this action. This could be dangerous for Cameroon, and it is a goal scored by Collins Sikombe of Lusaka Dynamos. A moment of weakness, and then a goal came in. We told you.
Dans ce tournoi après CHAN ici lors de ce match.
Beautiful goal. Look at that. I think Tungum Matan Tungum Pile has given, and this probably is a moment for the Auxiliary Lions to level scores. The far header, who is there? Another header comes in. A fast clearance, but the ball stays Cameroonian. This time, Wita and Dolosej. We see the pressure. There's a lot of pressure, and you can lose it at such a moment. For example, now here comes the Zambians. This could be dangerous with Zambia's Emmanuel Chabula. He stays on. A long cross in there. Fine shot number 14. That was Colin Sikombe. Defense.
Colin Sikombe, alors qu'on revoit Sipenge, lui qui a marqué. Avec 6 Camerounais dans la défense zambienne.
It's taken ahead. Oh! Jacques went right up into the air, but it missed to get. The goalkeeper is down. Came in with all the players. Watch that. This is Zakaria who takes it right in there, and it's a goal.
Oh là là!
Oh my words! What a shambolic defense! What a shambolic way of playing!
Et c'est le gardien qui est surpris. Cameroun et la Zambie.
Let's revisit the action. Let's revisit the action. There he goes. Look at that. Look at that. A shot from very far. Look at that. Zakaria takes a shot. The goalkeeper gets it. What was the reason punch to expect when the CHAN begins, since they're going to be based in Cameroon? The first match is going to be against Zimbabwe. Everybody was expecting that this was going to be the match where they will win, to show that they were quite ready for the game. But here comes the Shipolopolo again. What a careless mistake there. He succeeds to clear it, but it is not.
Thrilling game, though Cameroon has not been able. We get that from Asomo. Asomo takes in the cross to Wu. Failed one. Cameroon still in control of the ball from Onana Fabrice. Onana Fabrice tries to play in poor one, but then Jacques Zoua, Captain Jacques Zoua, what is he going to do? Plays with get and Cameroon. Oh, that coach Ntungu Pile is trying to man his forward line to see that at least Cameroon gets, and we go with Asogo, and that's Cameroon goes in. What does he do? Oh my words, Cameroon gets a corner. Right into the hands of Kipa Lamek. Zambia is second with 4 points. Niger is third with 4 points. And Cameroon. Zambia gets that incursion. And that was quite very dangerous for Team Cameroon. Play can resume. Tussle at the midfield. Cameroon recuperates that one. A try that gets into the hands of there we go at the left wing. He's alone. It's certainly a corner for Team Zambia.
Nous allons, comme on le dit d'habitude, impossible n'est pas camerounais. Mais au rythme où se déroulent les choses, nous avons...
Should have a good public. Oh, look at that. Probably.
Attention. Dieu merci. Bon retour. Oui, coup franc camerounais. Elle est bien placée. La surprise face à l'Égypte. Le 5-2, c'était notre dernière confrontation contre la Zambie en équipe nationale. Mais c'est dommage. Les faits sont têtus. Lorsque vous ne jouez pas.
Number one stadium here in Yaoundé. Look at that.
Et c'est fini là. C'est fini. 2 pour la Zambie.